how to delete last page in Word. So if you want to delete your last page in your Word, then first you need to open up your Word or your document. And once you've opened, now if you would like to delete the last page, so let's go for the last page. So here, if you would like to delete this last page, then what you can do is you can simply just go for the last and then you can hit the backspace. Or you can select all of these and then hit the backspace. And once you've done that, if you don't have anything written on that paper, then it will automatically delete the paper or the page. You can do that with this page also. So what you can do is simply select the paper. You can simply select all the text from that page and then hit the backspace. And now again hit the backspace. And here you can see that I don't have that page. So that's how you remove pages, or that's how you remove the last page on your Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.